Let me be honest with you. When I first started trading, I thought it was going to be the easiest money of my life. I had this picture in my head. I'd open my laptop, click a few buttons, and boom, I'm rich. That's how trading is shown on social media, right? Fast cars, luxury lifestyles, screenshots of big profits. But reality, I lost money over and over again. Why? Because I didn't know the truth about trading. And if I could go back in time, there are 5 lessons I wish someone had told me before I started. So, in this video, I'm going to share those lessons with you. They'll save you money, time, and stress. And I'll also show you how platforms like Olymp Trade can actually make this process smoother if you use them the right way. The first thing I wish I knew: trading is not easy money. A lot of beginners think trading is like gambling. You put some money in, and if you're lucky, it doubles. That mindset will destroy you. Here's the truth: trading is a skill, just like football, driving, or even cooking. You don't master it in one day. You have to practice, make mistakes, learn, and improve. When I started, I rushed into the market with no plan, and I lost. If I had treated trading like a real skill, I would have taken time to study strategies, watch the charts, and practice on demo accounts before risking real money. The good thing about Olymp Trade is that it's beginner friendly. They give you a demo account right away so you can practice without losing your real cash. I wish I had taken that seriously earlier instead of chasing shortcuts. The second lesson: risk management. Let me give you a story. One time, I was so confident in a trade that I put almost my entire balance into it. And guess what? The market went the other way, and I lost it all in minutes. That was painful. I wish I knew this rule. Never risk more than 1-2% of your account balance in a single trade. Small risks keep you in the game longer. Olymp Trade makes this easier because you can set exactly how much you want to invest per trade. You don't have to throw in your whole balance. If I had managed my risk like that earlier, I would have saved myself from blowing accounts. Lesson 3: Emotions. Trading is not only about charts and numbers, it's about psychology. Here's what happens: you take a loss, and your brain says, win it back right now. That's called revenge trading. Or you win one trade and suddenly you feel unstoppable, so you risk way too much on the next trade. That's greed. Both emotions wipe out traders faster than anything else. I learned the hard way that trading success is 80% emotional control and only 20% strategy. The cool thing is, Olymp Trade actually has tools to protect you from yourself. Features like stop loss and take profit let you set your exit before emotions even kick in. I wish I knew to use those tools from day one. Now let's talk about demo accounts. Olymp Trade gives you one for free, and it's an amazing training tool. You get virtual money to test strategies, learn how the platform works, and build confidence. But here's what I did wrong: I ignored the demo and jumped straight to real money, and of course, I lost. Then, when I did use the demo, I stayed there too long, treating it like a video game. The key is balance. I wish I had used demo mode to practice properly, like actually pretending it was real money, and then switched to a live account with small amounts once I felt ready. That way, I could train my skills while slowly experiencing the emotions of real trading. And the final lesson: focus on learning, not just earning. When I started, I only cared about profits. Every time I opened a trade, I was obsessed with making money. And when I lost, I got frustrated. But here's the secret: trading is a long game. The traders who survive are the ones who treat every trade like a lesson. Even a losing trade teaches you something, maybe about your strategy, maybe about your emotions, maybe about the market itself. Olymp Trade actually helps here because they have an education section full of tutorials, strategies, and market analysis. I wish I had spent more time learning from those resources instead of only chasing profits. So, those are the 5 things I wish I knew before I started trading. Trading is not easy money. Risk management is everything. Emotions can destroy you. Demo accounts are gold, but don't stay there forever. Focus on learning, not just earning. If you keep these lessons in mind, your journey will be way smoother than mine. If you're ready to start, check out Olymp Trade. Open a demo account today, practice with virtual money, and when you feel confident, switch to live trading with small amounts. Trust me, your future self will thank you for starting the right way. Use the link in the description of this video to create a trading account now.